This is how the metaphors engine works. First you start with the abstract concept that you need to explain. And now imagine all the different ways you could describe it in terms of metaphors. And by metaphors, let's break that down. Movement, emotion, time, action, place, human, objects, relationships, and senses. So how could it be moving, rising, falling, expanding, shrinking? How could it involve an emotion, exhilaration, boredom, disgusting, sadness? How does it fit in terms of time? Long, short, quick, slow, early, late? What sort of action could you use to describe it? Cutting, shooting, baking, shredding, any verb you like. What about place? Is it inside, outside, upside, down? When we talk about human, is it something related to our bodies or related to something personal that we all experience? Objects, again, take your pick, animal, vegetable, or mineral. In terms of relationships, think about relationships between people or within systems. And finally, senses. Well, you've got 5, taste, touch, smell, sight and sound, and things like pain, hot and cold. Write as many metaphors as you can for each section, and then pick the metaphors which you think are most fresh and vivid and relatable to your audience.